Everyone, welcome to your new academic session. You have seen PPT sent 2 days before. Uh, what we have seen in that PPT was about force and pressure, right? I hope you understood a little bit about the force means what. So I'm going to explain today about the force. Before that, I'm going to show you few activities how force exactly takes place. Okay. So friends, we do number of activities throughout day as human being or living things can do, right? But what about the non-living things? We do so many things just like lifting a pen, putting something, holding a ball like that, even cutting vegetables. These activities is performed how? So we are exerting certain energy, extra energy on that. So this external energy is nothing but force. And exactly the force is if I wanted to push it, this is weight. I have to push it to move from one place to another. So I will move. I'm pushing it. If I have to take it back on its position, what will I do? I will pull it. So this is for pulling and pushing whatever the energy I am exerting on this object. This is nothing but force. First term, what is meant by direction of force? So direction of force means what? So it is nothing but the direction in which an object is pulled or pushed. That is meant by direction of force. How it is, how it will come into action. Force will how it comes into action. So for happening of the force, any kind of we need to touch it. So there should be interaction between these two things. Then only we can apply force, right? So if this is a ball, I have to exert energy, right, for throwing this object. So but I was able to throw it. Why? How? Because of the interaction. Okay, other until I could not touch it. Is it possible to throw the ball into air? No. So interactions are necessary for happening any force. Let's take friends. While explaining magnitude of force, I have the best example over here with you. This is a ball. As you come to know, this ball is very lightweight and this bottle is filled with water. Definitely the weight of the water is more. So now to pick both of these, I need to exert a certain energy on that, right? I need to apply force on that. Then only I will able to pick it. So let's start with the ball. I'm I'm trying to pick it. Oh, it's easily, right? I don't need to exert more pressure, more force on to put the ball. But what about the bottle? I need to exert more force to pick the bottle. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you. Magnitude of the force is nothing but the strength of the force. Strength of the force to put or to push the object or to pull the object. That is what magnitude of the. So let's see next point or next activity. Might be something blinking in your mind that why I have taken this atta. Okay, so we are going to discuss now effects of force. So how force is effective in changing the shape of an object. So this is atta. If I am applying a little force, it will not go deeper. But if I wanted to change, but still the shape of this change. But now if I wanted to change the shape, I need to apply more force, and definitely you are able to see the shape of this atta is changed. So force is, this is why, because of we applied more force. Next effect of force is that the force can change the state of motion. How? Means I'm having a ball, I'm throwing this ball, I'm applying very less energy, it will go further. But if I apply more energy, more force, it will go more than that. This is what motion of the ball, speed of the ball change by applying force on it. So, student, you have seen different activities, different pictures I have shown you to explain what exactly the force means, how force happens, why interactions is needed to force happen, what are the effects of force with small activities. Hope you understood the concept, and I'm expecting the same kind of activities from you. So say you can send me all these activity if you understand in form of small activities video. You can send me when I will ask for it. Okay, next we are going to discuss for the types of forces, that is contact and non-contact forces means what. Soon we'll see with the contact forces and its types.